remember the that's for Sironga Girls. I just want to confirm today that our girl by the name Michelle Cheto from Fokri today morning at 5 for the rest of the girls were going to take a shower. I decided to jump from the second floor of the hostel. She fell down and hit her head. And we took her to the middle of the 5 where she was confirmed dead. And did surgery at her school. She did not show any signs of having any other problems. She was fine until yesterday evening. She was still okay. And she seemed to have slept well because the kidneys do not indicate whether she had any other problem. So it is the girls who are hanging their clothes at 5:30 in the morning after shower who saw her falling and screamed, prompting the whole mistress and the rest of the staff members in the staff quarters to rush and rush her to the hospital. It is alleged to a school and to the parents.
Perhaps. Maybe as
I'm very quiet and disturbed. She's very quiet and she's very disturbed.
lastly.
Very much. My name is Florence. I'm the Deputy County Commissioner of Mong'ina South. Sironga Girls falls within the area of police station. Today morning at around 6:30, the principal called me and informed me that there was a problem in the school. Then she told me that there's a girl who had tried to commit suicide by falling from the second floor bedroom, and she was rushed to Mamioro County Referral Hospital. So she told me to join them at the county hospital. I went there with my security team. Upon arrival, we were taken to the, what is it called, the emergency ward, where it was confirmed that the girl had passed on. What else?
How is this?
We proceeded to the school. And upon arriving at the school, we met briefly with the DOM, and there was a lot of tension within the school. The girls were curious to know what has happened. So we moved to the scene as a team. And then we moved to the scene as a team to the dormitory where she was, where the incident happened. Then we went to the classrooms. Then we isolated a few girls, so the statement was taken. Anyway, the situation in the school, you can say the girls are really worried, and once we revealed to them what has happened, they are totally, what do I say? They are devastated about the incident, especially the Form 4 cream and the entire Form 4 class, because this girl is a Form 4 candidate. We have talked to the girls and tried to counsel them to remain calm. And we have also shared with them that they should be able to share their problems with their teachers. Because we have realized that within the school there is a strong counseling department, which if they are able to share with the head of that department or any teacher, be it as a classroom teacher or any other teacher, I think if they share their problems with their teachers, teachers will be able to act accordingly. It is sad that this girl never shared with anybody, and so far we are told that she used to keep to herself. She's kind of a controversial girl. We have been able to peruse through her books. We have not been able to get any note left behind. But as security officers, we are still on with our investigations. We will ensure that we investigate and try to find out what might have happened. We are very sorry, and we want to assure the principal of the school plus the God of management, that we will be with them up to the end. Thank you. Yes, at the back of her head. It's like she fell bad. So there was a lot of blood, and even at the scene where she fell, we had a lot of blood there.
So